Dad, why is there a fire truck at our house?
Mom is still inside.
Lisa! Fire department, open up! She's still in there!
The oven! Oh, no! The pizza!
Lisa! All this chaos because Mom fell asleep making pizza.
Wait, that caused the fire truck?
Mark, are you there?
Hey, honey. Everything okay?
Not really. My meetings are running way over. Could you pick up Jake and June?
Oh, absolutely. I'll delegate my last task and head out to get them right now.
Delegate?
It means giving my job to someone else so I can leave early.
Perfect. Thank you. Drive safely, please.
Don't panic or worry about the kids. I've got this completely under control. See you at home.
Okay. Bye. Oh man, I am so tired. What's this? Took the little monsters to the play area. Love, Mark. Oh, that's sweet. Uh-oh, my stomach is angry. I am heavily craving pizza. Let's see. Dough, tomato sauce, veggies, oh, and meat toppings. Oh, whoops. Okay, time to spread the sauce. A little bit of this, a whole lot of that. Into the oven you go, my beautiful creation. Just a few pages while I wait. Maybe just resting my eyes for a single second.
Higher, buddy.
Yes, to the moon, Dad!
Dad, look, I'm a bat.
Careful there, Batgirl. I have to supervise you.
Supervise?
It means I need to watch you closely to keep you safe. Hey guys, real quick, make sure you stick around till the end for the vocabulary recap. You won't want to miss it.
Dad, I'm starving!
All right, team, let's head home. Mom should be there by now.
Five more minutes. What's happening? Oh no, the house smells like a campfire. The pizza! Oh my gosh, I fell asleep. This is bad, really bad. I need to turn this off right now.
Lisa, are you okay in there? I'm calling the fire department.
Bob, no, please. It's just a pizza. Are they here already?
Fire department, everyone out!
Wait, please don't spray the water. It's literally just a pizza.
A pizza, ma'am?
Yes, a very, very burnt pizza.
Well, we definitely need to extinguish this.
Extinguish?
It means to put out the fire.
Right. Thank you so much.
Let's get some ventilation in here, stat!
Ventilation?
It just means letting fresh air in so the smoke goes away.
I'll reset the smoke alarms. That is a loud one.
I am so sorry. I caused a huge inconvenience and completely wasted your time.
Hey, don't worry about it. It happens to the best of us.
Whoa, a fire truck?
Cool. Do you think they have the Dalmatian dog?
Is our house burning down?
Lisa! Lisa, are you okay?
I'm here, Mark. I'm okay.
Oh, thank goodness. I was so unbelievably relieved you're safe.
House is perfectly safe, sir. Just a casualty of dinner.
Thank you. Thank you so much for coming out here so fast.
Whoa! It looks like a giant, angry hockey puck.
I feel really bad. I fell asleep, burnt the food, and caused this giant mess.
Hey, you had an incredibly long day at work. You were exhausted.
It's okay, Mom. We honestly don't care about the pizza.
Yeah, even though I was super hungry, you're way more important.
You guys, thank you.
I gotta say though, that thing is totally charred.
Charred?
It means burned super black, like charcoal.
Hey, viewers! Make sure you stick around till the end for the vocabulary recap, so you can learn charred and other cool words.
Well, I guess my cooking career is officially over for the night.
Way ahead of ya. Who wants delivery?
Me!
You guys are simply the best.
Enjoy your dinner, folks.
Now this is an absolute masterpiece.
Whoa! Look at this giant cheese bridge.
Definitely better than my charcoal puck.
Mom, your pizza would have been great if you didn't decide to take a nap.
Fair point, little lady. Note to self, absolutely no reading while baking.
Hey, at least we met our local heroes today. Bob the neighbor and the fire squad.
Bob means well, but he has a very loud voice.
Can we buy a real fire truck, Dad?
No, buddy. We definitely don't have the driveway parking for that.
This turned out to be the best night ever!
It really turned out perfectly fine, didn't it?
Always does. We're a team.
I love you guys so much.
Love you too, Mom.
To Mom's legendary hockey puck pizza! Cheers!
Today's vocabulary recap. Detour, going a different way. Flammable, it can catch on fire very easily. Empathy, understanding others' feelings. Ventilation, letting fresh air in. Exhausted, extremely tired. Stinky, having a very bad smell. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.